Hey, slippery salamanders, you play Grand Mobile RP? Well, today you're going to play a different version of it with lots of money. So let me just show you guys. This is the mod. You can see I'm broke, right? But in the mod menu, you can actually get free coins. So I'm going to turn this on and just show you guys how it works. So I just turned it on. So let's see if it goes up into the moon. All right, nothing is happening, guys. I'm so sad now. I wish I had some more coins. They should go up because I enabled the modded feature, but uh, please go up. Yo, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Grand Mobile RP modded version for iOS and Android. It's updated and everything, guys, so you can count on it working. So let's download it together. Yay. So the first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com, okay? So on the search bar, I just want you to type Grand Mobile RP or something like that. So here it is, press install. So the final thing we have to do is verify who we are. So that's going to sound weird to some of you, but it's really easy. You just got to download 2 apps, complete the instructions, 100% free to do from official app store. So let me just walk you guys through the process, show you how to do it. So yeah, it's really easy, guys. So you can be like, oh, I don't know how to do it, but it's easy. So anyway, I will walk you through the process regardless so you can learn how to do it. So as you can see, we got the Apple and Android logos right there. So it does work on both, which is obviously going to be very helpful because some of you don't own an Android or you don't own an iPhone. So now we're going on to the last step. So you can see this is missing files. So you just download some of these like TikTok. It's like run it for 3 days. Obviously, this was a little extreme. But you could also do Cash 'em All. Or you could just do Travel Town, which is a game where you just got to reach level 9. That's pretty simple. Reaching level 9 isn't that hard. So anyway, that's how to get the Grand Mobile modded version. Unlimited money, or coins. And it is fully working. So peace out, brothers. It's working today.